If you really want to know how I achieved this look, keep watching. This hair is very beautiful. It's a tea lace wig, which is really trendy. So welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'm going to talk about this hair. If you really want to know how I achieved this look, keep watching. This hair is very beautiful. It's a tea lace wig, which is really trendy now because of COVID-19. It's really difficult for you guys to get closures and frontals at a reasonable price. Because of COVID-19, it's really difficult to get closures and frontals at a reasonable price. So the best alternative or the best option for you is for you to go for the tea lace wig, which is also very beautiful. You can as well lay your baby hair right here if you want to lay baby hair, but of course it's good and it's very easy to wear like this. You just apply your glue or your got-to-be spray and you are done, and it's really beautiful right here at the back. Yeah, so guys, lots of girls are going in for this kind of lace, teapot lace wig. And if you really want to know more information about why teapot lace wig is really trending, keep watching this video. Super excited to have you all to the moon. And I'm also going to talk about the teapot lace wig in this video. And as you already know, the international cooperation in this hair industry has really a very big problem because of COVID-19. And actually because of COVID-19, borders are closed. And you know, raw materials come from other countries like, you know, Malaysia, India, Peru, Brazil, and all that. But now, because of COVID-19, it's really difficult. When these raw materials get to China, we process it, and the hand-tied part, which is frontals and closures, are really in short supply because the hand-tied part is made in North Korea. It's not made in China. It's made in another country, and because of that, it's really difficult. It has really gone down. Like the supply is okay. So as a result, the hand-tied part, which is made in another country, like the frontals and the closures, are really in short supply because the borders are closed and there's no way for us to take the processed hair to North Korea for the hand-tied work to be done, and that is why there's a shortage, and that is why it's expensive. Now if you have a way to even do it, it's expensive because it is not the normal way of doing things. So like I said, lots of girls are going for the teapot lace wig, and for the wig you only need a little bit of spray bottle, and then you put in a little bit of water, and then you can add some kind of oil to it, and then make sure you keep sprinkling water on the hair like you see me doing here. I'm going to wear this wig, and this is actually our kinky curly. This is curly, sorry. I can only say this is curly hair, guys. This is actually a very beautiful curly hair that I bring to you guys. Curly is so beautiful, and it's actually the teapot curly wig. And because of the problems with the closures and frontals, we are introducing the teapot lace wig to you all. The teapot lace wig has come to solve the problem of lack of frontals and closures. Lots of customers, lots of hair companies are going in for teapot lace wig because of the shortage, and it's really difficult for us to get a hand-tied frontals and hand-tied closures because of COVID-19. Borders are closed, and as a result, the internationalization in the hair industry is actually falling short because of COVID-19. So this is a T-part lace wig. A lot of girls are going for this T-part lace wig. You can also have a try. If you haven't gotten yours yet, go ahead and get your T-part lace wig. Actually, what the T-part lace wig does is it gives you a pattern in the middle of your head. Okay, so the pattern is right there in the middle, and then the frontal, like the 13 inches from ear to ear, you can still get it, but of course you don't have the chance to part it left, right, center. You can only get it in the center. So I'm going to pull this wig on my head, and of course the wig has also got the combs. Like this wig, for instance, has got 4 combs right there. Yeah, 4 combs, 2 combs at the back and then 2 in front. And then the wig has also got the adjustable strap, and so you can actually adjust the size of your cap. And this is wow. I'm going to put it on my head, and when I'm done I will let you guys see the final look. So it's super simple. So this is how I wear the wig. Wow, I look like the queen. The queen herself. Yeah, the queen. It's so beautiful. And that is the lace right there. So when I say the T-part lace, it's just the pattern is right there in the middle, and this place you can go ahead and lay your baby hair. If you want to lay baby hair, you have the chance to go ahead and get baby hair there if you want baby hair. But if you don't want baby hair, you can just cut the lace, and that is it. So for me, I'm just going to cut the lace, and this is it. So once the lace is cut, it's gonna look like something like this. I'll come back with the final look after cutting the lace. The final look, this is super beautiful, and all I did was to cut the lace. And it's really all I did. Okay, so guys, here comes the final look, and all I did was to cut the lace, and that is a T-part thing right here. And this is really, really cute right here, and it's cute. It's cute at the back. You can see how beautiful it is, and this is 26 inches. It's 26 inches. It's really long. It's really long. So if you are tall like me, this is the best option for you. This hair is beautiful. It's gorgeous, and it doesn't shed. You know, after sprinkling water and applying mousse and everything, the hair doesn't shed, the hair doesn't tangle. And shipping is very, very fast wherever you are. If you want to buy this in large quantity, we already have stock for you all. Please hurry, buy now and save your money, okay? Because now if you want to buy frontals and closures, it's expensive, and you want to keep your money, you want to save money now. After COVID-19, you can buy frontals and closures, but for now, just go for the T-part lace and be safe. If you want to do baby hair, you can go ahead and do baby hair. Thanks for watching. Bye.